is Rachel Ryan and administrative support. I've been with SRC almost 2 years. At my previous place of employment, I just wasn't feeling just the sense of camaraderie, the sense of family. With Super Radiator, there is just that set of core values. I see it implemented here every day. It is night and day from the previous job that I held to working here at Super. I feel like a valued part of the team. I feel like it's not just me, but I feel that everyone feels that way. I feel that way about everyone that I work with. I just value their work, what they put into the company. There's mutual respect between everyone, and everyone just works well together. This is the only job that I have worked at where I feel that all of my needs are met. I work great with everyone else. We all work great together, communication, and that's also something too that the company just really puts into is just, wanting you to better yourself. And I feel like since I've started here, I myself have gotten better at things that I didn't even think I would be doing. Since being at Super, I come home excited to talk about my day, about events coming up, little stories here and there about who happened to come in today and who did I meet, and it's a great experience, and I'm a lot happier inside and out that I've been here. I'm glad I switched to Super.